Which choice most effectively uses data from the graph to complete the example? Geographer Adebayo Olowale Oyodiyan and his colleagues surveyed small-scale farmers in 3 locations in Ondo State, Nigeria, which has mountainous terrain in the north, an urbanized center, and a coastal terrain in the south, to learn more about their practices, like the types of crop they mainly cultivated. In some regions, female farmers were found to be especially prominent in the cultivation of specific types of crops, and even constituted the majority of farmers who cultivated those crops, for instance, blank. So option A says, most of the farmers who mainly cultivated cereals and most of the farmers who mainly cultivated non-root vegetables in South Ondo were women. So in South Ondo, you see this part of the graph, it says that most of the farmers who mainly cultivated cereals, so this gray bar, were women. But this is incorrect because only 36% of cereals were cultivated by women, while the rest were by others. So this A is incorrect because most of the women did not cultivate the cereals in South Ondo. B. More women in Central Ondo mainly cultivated root crops than mainly cultivated cereals. This is incorrect because this does not help support the claim, which is that female farmers were helped cultivate specific types of crops, or the majority of specific types of crops. So this is incorrect. C. Most of the farmers who mainly cultivated non-root vegetables in North and South Ondo were women. So non-root vegetables are the black graph, and in North and South Ondo, there was a 54% in South Ondo and 58% in North Ondo. So therefore, most of the women did cultivate the non-root vegetables in North and South Ondo. So C seems to be the correct answer. D. A relatively equal proportion of women across the 3 regions of Ondo mainly cultivated cereals. This is incorrect because although this is supported by the graph, it doesn't help support the claim, which is that female farmers cultivated a majority of specific types of crops. So D is incorrect, and the correct answer is C.